Yeah, man, early morning was going in. Happy Friday, TGIF. Oh my days. Yeah, man. Some real rain we're dealing with right now, you know. My Lord. Jeez. Friday, we give thanks and praise for this beautiful, wonderful morning. 6 in the morning, South Florida. The Most High come and bless us with some beautiful weather. Yeah? So the trees can keep on providing fresh oxygen for the plants, vegetation, for the fruits. All the good stuff that we put in our body. Oh man. The planet needs some rain, Mother Earth needs some cooling to it, you know? So we give thanks and praise for this blessed morning. Tonegmusic.